Today, we'll cover the topic simplification of Boolean functions, Boolean expression. So for that, simplification means minimization of Boolean function. So for that, we will use K-map. K-map is Carnot map. A K-map is a pictorial method used to minimize Boolean functions, Boolean expression without using Boolean algebra theorems. So here we'll not use Boolean algebra theorems, and without using Boolean algebra theorems will minimize, will simplify the Boolean functions, Boolean expressions. K-map. So K-map is basically, first of all we'll take one example, then you will better understand. So we'll take example of three variables, like we have A, B, C. So 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1. ठीक है. So these are the 8 things. I mean 8 terms, you can say 8 values will be there for 3 variables. Okay. So basically Carnot map for 3 वो कैसा रहता है, like 8 boxes will be there. Okay. A, B and C. So A will be here and B, C. 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Why we are writing 1, 1 first? We are writing 1, 1 first because it will be in grey code. Will follow grey code. Only one digit will change. Here we have used 0, 0. So only one digit. This digit will change and it will become 1. Again, these both are like 0, 1 ये है ना. So this one is 0. So now this will change and it will become 1. Now last one, this one change and it will become 0. So only one digit will change. A K-map is an array of squares, each representing one min term. So each square represent one min term. Okay. So a grid of square, you can say grid of square or array of square, and each square represents one min term. Correct? That means A B C के term में तो A B C. Min term is all the variables will be there, either the variable or its complement. So each box represent one min term. Okay, and for each product term write 1 in all the squares which are included in the term, or otherwise you have to write 0. If 0 0 0, it means we'll write here 1 when this is for A, and this one is for A complement of A, and this one is for A, because A will be 0 matlab A complement, and A 1, that is A. Okay, so this place if 1 we have written, so if this is included in the function, the function given hai, f is a function given, and for that A B C, A bar B bar C bar plus A B C bar plus A B bar C bar. Okay, and A bar B C, A bar B bar C. Okay, so A bar B bar C. Okay, these are the 4 things. Okay, so what we'll do, हम क्या करेंगे, A bar B bar C bar मतलब all are 0, so 0 0 0 मतलब A bar B bar C bar. Okay, now so this is included in the function, so we'll write 1 for this square, 1 min term. But this one is a min term, and for this min term we'll write here 1. Got it? So similarly A B C bar matlab A and B should be positive, so A is positive here, and B कहाँ positive है, यहाँ ये these two are for B complement. Okay, and yes, B complement, and these two for C, these two for B. Okay, so इन दोनों में B रहेगा and इन दोनों में B complement. So B complement में इसमें से ही कुछ रहेगा. So A complement में this row, okay, and B complement में this 4, okay, and C complement. So where is C complement? This is C. This one is C ना. So B and C both complemented होना चाहिए. तो A bar B bar C bar. So we'll write here 1. because this is one mean term. The second, this mean term, for this mean term, what we'll do, we'll write 1 for this mean term. Okay, so A, B and C bar. So A matlab A is positive 1, A should be 1, B should be 1. Where is B1? These. And C bar, complement of C, matlab C should be 0. So A, B and C. So this one. Okay, because A, this one B and C bar. Okay, now next for this min term, what we'll do, A, B bar, C bar. Okay, A, B bar, C bar. A is positive here, B bar matlab this side, these 4, and C bar. B and C both should be 0. Okay, so both should be 0 and A is 1. Okay, now for this one, A bar, B bar and C. B bar matlab this part, A bar matlab this first row and these two. Okay, so these two. C is positive, so here. Okay, C is positive. Okay, now what we'll do, how we minimization, how we'll do na, that we'll see. That's very easy. We'll take these two and we'll take these two. Okay, because squares on edges are considered adjacent to the square on opposite edges. Okay, so squares on edges are considered the next, I mean the adjacent to squares on opposite edges. मतलब अगर whatever is here ना, that will be considered जो इसके साथ में. So similarly, this is the adjacent, I mean edges पे है. These two are on edges, so this will be considered as adjacent. Okay, these two are adjacent, so we can take that one. So how we are doing, we will see. Before that, try to understand what is means squares कैसे रहते हैं. Like if there is only one term, only one variable, so there will be two terms. Okay, one more thing, 0 0 0. Okay, मतलब A bar B bar C bar, A bar B bar C bar. Okay, so now तो 0 0 0 वाला था यहाँ पे. So now A, B, C, 0 0 0 and this one is 1 0 0. तो this one is 4. So 4 वाला था, 4 वाला is here. तो 4 के लिए क्या है, 0 1 2 3 4. 4 के लिए A, B bar, C bar. Because A is 1, B is a complement of B and complement of C. तो A, B bar, C bar क्या वो है यहाँ पे? Can we see this? A, B bar, C bar. A, B bar, C bar है, right? So similarly, the next one, we'll take this one. A, B, C bar. So A, B, C bar मतलब A, B, C bar. So this one is 1 1 0. कहाँ पे है? And yeah, this one 1 1 0. तो 1 1 0 कहाँ होगा? 1 1 0 1 1 0. Okay. So this one is there. Okay. Now next is this one. A bar, B bar, C. A bar, B bar, C. A bar, B bar, C. Okay. So A bar, B bar, C. This one A bar, B bar and C, because A is complement of A is 0, complement of B because B is 0, and C as it is because C 1 है. Okay. First of all, we'll take one variable. Okay. One variable. One variable means A. So there will be two conditions. Why two terms will be there? Because when n is equal to 1, terms will be, number of terms क्या होगा? 2 to the power n, that is 2 to the power 1, मतलब 2 terms होंगे. So क्या क्या 2 terms होंगे? एक तो A होगा when A is 1 and A complement of A when A is 0. Okay. So 0 and 1, 2 ही boxes होंगे. Why? Because there is only one term. Two variables A and B we have taken. So we have two variables, so n to 2 to the power n terms होंगे. 2 to the power 2. 2 to the power 2 क्या होगा? 2 to the power 2 मतलब 4. Okay. So 4 terms will be there because A and B when we are writing na 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay. So how we'll write this? ऐसे. We'll write like this. एक square box. There will be 4 squares. Why? A, B. Why 4 boxes? Because 2 to the power 2 is 4 and when we have two variables, there will be four terms. These are the four terms. So how we'll write this? 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay. So if we have, अगर हमने ये लिया, this one and this one, it means A bar B and B A B bar. Okay. A bar B and A B bar. Okay. So A bar B means this is 0, 0 and 0, 1 क्या होगा? 0, 0 and B is 1, this one. Okay. Now 1, 0, 1, 0, this one, 1, 1, this one. So which is included in the function? If the function f is A bar B plus A B bar, we will write 1 in the all the squares which are included in the function. So only these two are included in the function. So हम क्या करेंगे? We'll write only यहाँ पे 1, otherwise बाकी सारे में we'll write 0. Okay, because those are not included in the functions. Variables, there will be A, B, C and 3 boxes, 2 to the power 3, that is 8. So there will be 8 boxes, and how many terms? Because 8 terms. When we are taking 3 variables, the A, B, C, there will be 8 terms: 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1, 1. ठीक है? So 8, when we have 8 ना, so हम ऐसे भी ले सकते हैं, right? This one, and हम ऐसे भी ले सकते हैं. We can draw the boxes like this. Okay, but this one is better method. You can use this one also, but this one is better method. So use this one. Write A here and B, C there. Why we are writing B and C, two variables here? Because we are, this side we have 4 boxes, so 2 to the power 4, and this side we have 2 boxes, 2 to the power 1. So we'll write A here and B, C here. So 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Why we'll write 1, 1 instead of 1, 0? Because gray code may will write in gray code. So only one digit will change. And why we are doing this, because for minimization na, we'll take common. So if 1, 0 and 0, 1 रहेगा ना, we cannot take common in both, because A bar B plus A B bar में कुछ भी common नहीं है. But when we have this one, अगर इन दो में 1, 1 है ना, we can take common. क्या होगा इसका value? A bar, this one is B bar C, and this one is A bar BC. Now you can see this, how why we are writing this, because we have to take common, we have to minimize the function, we have to simplify the function, Boolean function. So when it is given, when we are taking common and we have to minimize this. So why? Because A bar B bar C is this one and A bar B C is this one. So when we will take A bar C common, when A bar C will take common ना, so B bar plus B will get, मिलेगा ना हमें? A bar दोनों में है, C दोनों में है. So we'll take A bar C common and we'll multiply this B bar, तो क्या होगा? B bar plus B जो होगा. So anything plus, when we are adding anything with its complement, we'll get 1. So it will be minimized like this, ऐसे. How? So now when we are taking common ना, so what are common things? ये 0, I mean A is 0 दोनों में है, and what are common things? Both 1 तो है दोनों में, right? C is 1. So we'll write it will be written as, तो इसको minimize करके we'll write A bar and common 1, 1 common है, तो that is C. So this will be the answer. 2 to the power 4 is 16. So A, B, C and D, 4 variables. So 2 to the power 4 is 16. So 16 numbers, I mean terms will be there. A, B, C, D, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0 1 1 1. Okay, now the same thing, ये 0 के साथ this 8 things we have written, so similarly the same thing we'll write with 1 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 1, ऐसे करके we'll write 16 till 15 तक होगा, from 0 to 15. Okay, so now how we'll do this? This is 1 square, 4, then again 4, again divide, so there will be 16 boxes. So A B C D 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Okay, so to make you understand better, just write like this. This is what 0 0 0 0, मतलब ये 0 का बॉक्स है, 0. Okay, you can don't write this 0, this one is 1 2. Why 2 this one? Because 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 is 3. We are writing in gray code now, so I am writing this value to make you understand better. So if we have this one, अगर ये है, this one is there, this one is there, so we'll write 1 in this boxes. So 0 0 0 0 it means 0, and this one is 2, so 2 के boxes में अगर ये सारे functions में है, if functions these are min terms are there in the function, then we have to write 1 in the square boxes. Okay, we have to write 1 in the square boxes in all the boxes which is included in the function. If function includes this one, this one, this one, this one and this one. Okay, ठीक है, तो अगर ये 5, okay, one more we'll take this one. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 terms, 6 min terms are there in the function. So how we'll do this, how we'll write this? This is 0, so 0 के वैल्यू में हम 1 लिख देंगे. Now 3 sorry 2 में हमने 1 लिखा, 3 4, 3 में भी हमने 1 लिखा, 4. So 4 के लिए C, this one is 4 5 6 7 and again 1 1 है ना, so we'll write here 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15. So हमारे पास 1 कहाँ कहाँ है? 0 1 2 3 4, 4 में 1, 5 6, 6 में 1, 7, 7 में 1. Okay, so what we'll do, we have this 6 ones, so 6 boxes में हमारे पास 1 है. So how we'll solve this? First of all, we'll these 4 we can take. Achha, one more thing, when we are like taking one box at a time, so it means no change, the min term will be written as it is. When we are taking 2 boxes at a time na, so one min term, one variable is missing from that min term. Okay, one variable is missing, and if we are taking 4 at a time, 2 variables will be missing. See how there are A B C D, 4 variables are there na, A B C and D. Okay, so for these 4 there should be 2 missing. So क्या होगा, 0 1, ये तो 0 0 मतलब A bar is there, इन चारों में A bar is there, but B bar and B bar है, तो A bar will take, A bar होगा, and इन दोनों में 1 1 मतलब C is there, C is there, this D and D bar दोनों रहेगा, so we'll not take that, we'll take only what is common between all the 4. So that will be the answer for these 4. When you'll solve, you'll get that when you'll solve this by using Boolean algebra theorems, then also you'll get the same result. But KMAP we are using because this is simple, this is simplest method, and by pictorial method and minimization simplification के लिए this is the best method to use, but you need to understand better. Okay, so for these 2 what we'll do, हम ऐसे ले सकते हैं, अगर ये 2 रहता ना तो इन दोनों को लेते हैं, but this we have taken already, so what we'll do, these 2 we'll take, and इसका वैल्यू क्या होगा, 0 0 is common, 0 0 इन दोनों में भी 0, A bar C bar D bar, तो plus A bar C bar D bar. Okay, now A bar is common in both, so A bar will take, and C A bar C plus C bar D bar. Okay, So this will be the answer. So I hope you understood this examples and the concept of K-map. So in next video we'll do sums. Okay, so we'll take examples 2 variables, 3 variables, 4 variables, 5 variables के लिए भी we'll see in next video. And these were some examples to make you understand better what is K-map and how to solve it. I hope you understood the concept. For any query, any doubt, please comment. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.